Here comes Glenda in her truck, straight out of the field. Johnson, our faithful Navajo friend, is going to back her up, and she'll unload into the even flow. After the potatoes go into the even flow, they're sorted by the crew on the conveyor belt, mostly Navajo and folks from the nearby town. They sort them into the rocks and the trash, the seed, the smaller potatoes, and then the larger potatoes are hauled off into town to be stored in cellars. They keep them at a certain temperature until they're ready to be taken to market. That big cellar behind that looks like a Quonset hut will be full by the end of harvest. Here they come off the truck. Whoa. There's Johnson. Hey, Johnson. There they are, straight out of the field. Beautiful Colorado Spud. Coming to a market near you. Remember, potatoes don't just come from Idaho. They come from almost every state in the Union. Colorado grows beautiful potatoes, especially in this high alpine agricultural valley in south central Colorado. The San Luis Valley, surrounded by the San Juan Mountains to the west. To the north is Salida, Buena Vista, Monarch Pass. To the east are the Sangre de Cristo Mountains with several 14ers. It's a beautiful state. Today we have beautiful weather. The 21st of September, 2009. Let's go over and say hello to some of the crew that are sorting. They stand all day long and sort the potatoes. They take out the rocks, they take out the trash, take out the misshapen potatoes, they take out anything that doesn't look good. They work very hard. Good people. There's Richard. Hey, Richard. Trash goes over there. Irina? Hello? Rita's been with us for 20 years. Faithful. Hi. Hi, Irina. That's how it's done. Goes up the conveyor belt into the big trucks into town. Fill them up and take off. Pretty special to grow potatoes, and know that folks like them. French fries, mashed potatoes, potatoes au gratin, pomme de terre frites. My husband gets so excited about farming. He's very proud to be a farmer in the United States of America. We pray for this nation, and that you'll all appreciate agriculture. Try to buy what's grown in America, not what's grown in other countries. To support the American farmer, the American rancher. Eat American beef. Eat American food. If we don't grow our own food, then other countries are going to own us. Water doesn't come from the tap, comes from the sky onto the ground, and food doesn't come from the market. It comes from the rich agricultural valleys and the farmers who will do the hard work necessary, who have the perseverance, who have the guts to put up with all that they have to. They're hard-working, salt of the earth, good people. The kind of people this nation was formed by. Without food, without the farmer, how could the West have opened? How could the nation have expanded? In the Bible, they talk about the farmer, the seeds that are grown. Abraham was the first man to have a promise from God, and he was a farmer. He was told to go someplace, and he did. He didn't know where he was going, but he did it. The farmers don't know what they're going to have to put up with from year to year, but they do it anyway. They rely on the weather. The weather can be cruel, but they say that's what we get. So thank you for eating potatoes. Eat lots of them. Thanksgiving's coming up. Christmas. Every day. And there she goes back to the field. Pick up another load.